Are you looking for a trusted Quran Academy for your child? Let me introduce to Rahman Quran and Computer Academy, where quality, discipline, and modern education come together. We don't operate from homes. Our qualified teachers teach live from our physical academy, monitored with 24/7 CCTV for complete safety. Every class is automatically recorded and reviewed daily by our in-house supervisor team. With our smart LMS system, parents and students can track attendance progress and performance reports anytime, anywhere. Every teacher is professionally screened, and students get free access to class recordings for easy revision. And yes, we are registered with the government of Pakistan, giving you complete peace of mind. Special offer: book now to get a 3-day free trial and enjoy 50% off your first month. Call or WhatsApp us today at 0092 333 059 0681, office 009254354601. Visit www.rahmanquranandcomputeracademy.com. Rahman Quran and Computer Academy, where your child's Quranic journey begins the right way.